Here's your fast stock market update as the situation in Iran, Israel, and of course America involved with the Middle East, the whole of the Middle East, the UAE, Qatar, Saudi, all of those countries with Kuwait, Bahrain, all affected. What's going to happen with the stock market? Let's give you the information. What's likely to gain, what's likely to lose, and what is the longer term impact? First of all, the fairly obvious one is oil. Expect the oil price to go up. Then just understand that for each $10 the oil price goes up, it slows the American economy down by 0.4% of its gross domestic product. In other words, turnover in the country slows down, oil price goes up. It's in America's interest to make sure that this is over with quickly and the oil price comes down. Interestingly, it's in China's interest because they use so much oil as well, not to have this situation escalate too much. The more the oil price goes up or the longer the situation, then of course the more it affects the economy. Okay, but of course, they get the situation in over with nice and quickly and reduce the oil price. The reverse is the case. In other words, that's good for the economy if they can produce or reduce the oil price. And of course, who knows what's going to happen, but we hope for a quick solution to this particular situation. Well, of course, we see that gold is likely to go up already. It's risen. The things that have driven gold higher are in place. The factors that are there, they're still in play. Gold is going to continue. It may be a jump on Monday, there may be a slight sell-off, but expect ultimately gold to continue. Defense stock, I've been talking about it for a period of time. Expect that defense stock on Monday to be increasing. Again, that's a longer term play. You might get a sell-off if the price goes up a lot on Monday, Tuesday, but nevertheless, it will be a short-term sell-off because defense industry, defense stock, likely to do well in this current situation in the world. What, of course, could be sold off? Well, if sentiment is American economy is gonna have a problem because the oil price is gonna stay lower. You could imagine, of course, that there are many companies, airlines, etc. They're gonna suffer. Those stocks would be expected to drop. The economy would expect it to be gonna drop if it went on for a prolonged period. Expect America to want to get it over with. That's for sure. Certainly be good for all of us in the world if this situation can finish really